Discover excellence in waste management with Circle A Dumpsters, LLC, your premier choice for superior solutions in Athens, Georgia. Specializing in dumpster rental in Athens, Georgia, our services redefine the standards of cleanliness and organization, providing you with a seamless and hassle-free waste disposal experience. Step into a realm of efficiency by calling us at 706-548-3982. Circle A Dumpsters, LLC takes pride in offering more than just a dumpster rental service. We present a gateway to a cleaner and more organized environment. Whether you're undertaking a home renovation, managing a construction site, or overseeing a business project, our dumpsters are customized to meet your specific needs. Visit our website www.circleadumpsters.com to explore the possibilities and witness how we elevate waste disposal to unparalleled heights. Our mission transcends traditional waste management. We are dedicated to revolutionizing the entire experience. As your committed partner forging a cleaner and more organized space in Athens, Georgia, Circle A Dumpsters, LLC exceeds expectations. Dial 706-548-3982 and experience the transformative difference of dumpster rental, where efficiency converges with environmental responsibility, and your satisfaction is our top priority.